Jackson Safety introduces a premium auto-darkening helmet that comes complete with high horsepower and extra swag. The BEAD Demon graphic helmet is made with a sturdy, lightweight material, and the ergonomic design will keep you comfortable while looking sharp. Our exclusive 370 speed dial headgear combines a fine-tooth ratcheting adjuster knob with a swivel headband to deliver a perfect fit every time. World-class switching speeds minimize fatigue, while an external grind mode function puts this helmet into overdrive. The BEAD Demon Graphic Welding Helmet by Jackson Safety.